Hello everyone! Imagine waking up tomorrow and your channel is already monetized. Sounds crazy, right? Well, I'm going to share the exact blueprint. I used to do it in weeks instead of months. Most creators waste time on the wrong content, but I'll show you the shortcut that YouTube doesn't tell beginners. If you've been struggling to grow, this might be the video that changes everything. Welcome to the tutorial masterclass. If you're serious about turning YouTube into a source of income, hit that subscribe button and let's dive straight into the blueprint for monetization. Step number 1, pick a profitable niche and stick to it. Channels that grow fast are laser focused on one topic. Don't upload random vlogs one day and tutorials the next. Pick a niche like finance, tech, or tutorials and create binge-worthy videos around it. When viewers know what to expect, they'll hit subscribe. Step number 2, use high search keywords for fast growth. Target topics people are already searching for. Use tools like TubeBuddy or Vidic to find low competition keywords. For example, instead of just making a video on YouTube tips, target how to get 1,000 subscribers fast for beginners. Step number 3, focus on watch time, not views. YouTube rewards videos that keep viewers watching. Make your content engaging, use jump cuts and B-roll, and structure your video to tease valuable information so they watch until the end. Step number 4, post at least 2 to 3 quality videos per week. Uploading consistently gives you more chances to rank and get discovered. Think of each video as a soldier fighting for your channel's growth. And step number 5, create playlists and encourage binge watching. Group similar videos into playlists so one video leads to another. This massively increases your watch hours, which is key for monetization. Remember, monetization isn't about luck, it's about strategy. If you follow these steps and stay consistent, you can get there way faster than most creators. Which step will you try first? Drop your answer in the comments. And don't forget to like this video and subscribe for more YouTube growth hacks. If you want to see the 5 biggest mistakes that stop channels from getting monetized, click this suggested video here or visit Tutorial Masterclass YouTube channel and watch more videos. It might save you months of frustration. Thanks so much for watching, and until next time, stay inspired and keep creating. Have an awesome day, everyone.
I'm full-time YouTuber, living my dream, can't lose. 500 million songs just like Mr. Beast. I'm full-time YouTuber, yeah.